Shrinkfits are awesome, like this one, and they're actually not that expensive. The holder is maybe cheaper ones, maybe €100 or so. They're also very precise, especially for small end mills, like 1, 2 or so millimeters. And for bigger end mills, they are very stiff. So many good reasons to use them. But the problem is the Shrinkfit units are quite expensive. So here's a cheap way without using a torch. Unit from eBay. This one is 2.5 kilowatts of power and costs around about €100 or so. And all you need, in addition to this one, the unit, you need a power supply. And power supply, in my case, is from old server, and this should be 2 kilowatts about. And it cost me about €20. So all in all, in let's say €150, you will get very decent and working Shrinkfit set instead of 5,000 or whatever the commercial units cost. So here's how it's set up. 230 AC is coming in through 10 amp breaker, goes to the power supply. Here is soldered switch to switch from standby to fully on. And here it comes to this big switch again. And this one is needed so that voltage applied to the Shrinkfit unit is immediately at correct level, because the electronics here don't like when the voltage is below some level. So when the power supply is turned on, there could be some time before the voltage settles at correct level. So this one is for, let's say, extra safety, just in case. And that's it. Oh, also, there's a water pump for cooling the coil.